This is the Fifine K690 USB condenser microphone. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I guess you get the point.
A few inches later.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna go pick up a parcel or a delivery from Amazon. I just received an email from them and I chose to get it picked up instead because it's a lot cheaper, and this is something that I have been planning for months as a birthday present, so now I'm gonna head out and then take it home. So excuse my face guys, I just woke up literally. I had like a short nap. Is there even really a long nap? Anyway, I just took a nap and washed my face and I'm ready to go out. So please come with me guys. It's gonna be a little bit of a walk from my house going to the, how do I say, Amazon collection hub. That's what they call it. And let's go and get the parcel and unbox it. So see you later.
A few inches later.
So this is Albany Street. And it's my favorite place guys because I can buy a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables and meat. So yes, can't wait to be there guys.
A few moments later.
So I got it guys. So I got the delivery now, so I'm gonna go home now because the battery is dead on my camera. So I'll see you later. So here we go guys, I finally got the parcel. So now I'm going back home. I wanted to buy some fruits but I didn't bring some cash with me, so I have to do it some other time. But anyway, I'm gonna go home now and I'm really excited to unbox this one and test it and use it, you know. So yes, let's go.
2 hours later.
Hello guys. Let me just adjust the camera. There we go, so you guys can have a look of me. Should I sit like this? Why not? I think I'm just gonna lay this mat. Yeah, alright, let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I vlog. I just want to be really honest with you guys. There's a lot of things going on. I started working already and I had to focus. It's already my 5th month in England. Actually soon to be my 6th month here. So it's been half a year. I have way to go, I know. I can't believe I've reached this part. But I'm really happy guys with where I'm at right now. And for the record, today is the 24th of May 2021. It's gonna be my birthday tomorrow, which I'm really excited about, and which is the ultimate reason why I am vlogging right now, because I got myself a present, a birthday present, and this is something that I've been planning and dreaming about for months. So yeah, I got myself a present. I got a call from Amazon yesterday to get this one picked up at a local, they call it collection hub near my place. So yeah, I have it now in my hands. So let's unbox this guys. And by the way, before I begin, to those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Noor, and in this channel I do vlogs about my living situation. I used to be living in Dubai for 5 years and now I migrated to England. I have a lot of questions, I have a lot of anxiety, I'm really curious about many things. I'm going through a lot, but here I am again, still alive and kicking. So without further ado, let's begin unboxing this beast. So this is the Amazon packaging here, if you guys are curious about it, you know. And yeah, I mean, I can't complain so much about the packaging because there's even like I would say a thick and strong box inside, so there's no need for another box, to be honest. So that's why it looks like it's like you bought a bread. Are you guys excited? So this is a birthday gift for myself, like I said guys, and yeah, I'm just really excited. Can't wait to get my hands on it. So here we go. Wow! So this is a USB microphone. It's a condenser mic. And like I said, I have been planning to buy this one because I'm obsessed with audio quality, to be quite honest. And that's one of the reasons why it takes time for me to edit my videos, because I want to make sure that the audio quality is good and it's unified, I would say, from like first part of the video up until the very end. So I wanted to be unified and I wanted to be clear. You know, I'm really conscious about that because I have this feeling that since English is not my first language, I have this feeling that my accent is kind of confusing for some people. So I always want to make sure that when I speak out, you know, it's loud and clear. So anyway, the moment of truth to unbox this one. So let's appreciate the box, guys. To be quite honest, it's a pretty heavy box, so it's very, you know, commendable, I would say. Good job. So this is a Fifine. Where's the model? It's a Fifine K690. Yeah, it's a Fifine K690 condenser USB mic. So how this works is that you just plug it into your laptop and then you just switch the sound settings. I think you have to switch it to this one, and then yeah, ready to go. It's a plug-and-play USB mic. It's really good for streaming, live streaming, if you are a gamer or if you are a YouTuber, of course. And this is an alternative for some people to Blue Yeti mic. So if you don't have the money for the Blue Yeti, then get this one, guys. It's worth it. And I've seen so many reviews about this one. Great reviews for sure. So yeah, so I didn't really want to spend money for the Blue Yeti because, you know, I'm not a big YouTuber and I don't really have time for vlogging most of the time. So I just want to have this you know, ready to go. So if I want to vlog from time to time, I'm just gonna, you know, I just gonna pull it out and then use it. So there you go. Let's unbox it. Alright, guys, there. It almost, I would say it has this Apple unboxing feeling, to be honest. So yeah, it's pretty impressive how they, you know, have this mic box like this. Or I would say it's like unboxing a JBL speaker, and it has a foam here, guys. What is this? Foam, and then I guess this is the USB charger or the USB cable. Good thing I still haven't cut my nails, so I can still open this with my fingernail. I didn't even bring a knife with me, so I have to open it this way. Yeah. So this is the USB cable that came with it. And this is the adapter. So it has this little screw if you want to put this on a tripod. But if you want to put it on, what do you call that? Like a mic holder or a mic stand, then you have to screw this into the bottom of the mic and then just put it on top of it. Alright, what else? Okay, and then we have the mic itself, guys. I don't know how to pull this up. Oh, can you guys see the mic already? Ooh. Alright, so here is the microphone, guys. And what else? So here's the microphone there, and this is how you're gonna talk. It doesn't matter, actually. You don't really have to be really near to the mic. So yeah, so this is the Fifine K690. It's a condenser USB mic, so it's really good at picking up your voice near its head and also minimizing whatever unnecessary background noise. And it has a lot of patterns as well. So if you guys don't know what a pattern is, it's like a camera lens. So depending on what you want or how you want to shoot. So if you want to use this alone by yourself and, you know, you just want your voice to be captured, then there's a feature for that. But I'm not gonna go really technical with it because you're gonna learn that as you go along. So yeah, here's the box, guys. So there's nothing more there inside, for the record. So yeah, I know you've been waiting for the review and the sound quality of this mic, so let's do that. So of course I need to have a laptop, I need to have it plugged in and then get it tested. So keep watching, guys. And for this mic, guys, you don't need to have a MacBook. You just have to have any computer that has a USB port on it and you just plug it in there. One of the highlights of this microphone as well is that it has a pretty long USB cable, which is nice if you want to, you know, put it on a mic stand or a mic holder or whatever you call it, you know, you have more bass. I mean, you have like, you can plug it away from your computer, so that's nice. All right, so let's just plug this on its bottom and plug it into the USB port of my computer. And by the way, guys, I brought with me an earphone which I can plug to the mic, so I will be able to monitor the voice, or my voice, and it's you know, the quality of the voice, or even if it's like working fine. All right, so if you turn this mic on, guys, it will give you this green light, which means it's on, and you can actually press this to mute this, and it's gonna give you a red or an orange light. And this control is gonna be for your headset, so you will be able to monitor your voice and minimize the volume, or, you know, maximize it if you want. And then at the back you have this gain control and the patterns, like I said, like the patterns earlier. Again, what I'm gonna be using is CarDroid. Is it CarDroid? I don't know how to spell it, but it says CarDroid, which means it's only capturing the voice in front of the mic. And then the gain is the sensitivity of the mic, I would say. If you don't want the mic to capture, or if you want your voice to be captured louder, then I think you need to increase the gain. So yeah, let's try this, guys. So I have this plugged into the computer, and then I will open the, what software do I have here? I think I have the software Voice Memo. So this is what I'm gonna use, just like a normal Apple software. Let's see that, guys. So let's switch this to CarDroid. Yeah, second to the last, I think. Yeah, second to the last. And then the mic is, I'll just put it in the middle actually, and wear the headset so that we will be able to hear our voice. So we have the green light here, guys. What do we need to do? The sound settings. We'll go to set the system preferences, sound, and then we'll choose the microphone. All right, so alert volume, there you go. Output volume. Again, we'll double check that. We'll go to settings, system preferences, and let's just see if it's chosen. Output. Alright, guys, we have everything all set on our computer. Let's move this there so that we can have the mic near us. So let's get it tested, guys. Let me just sit properly. Sorry, guys, I don't really have like a legit or like a professional setup for unboxing. This is all I've got, guys, because I'm renting a shared house, so you know, there's no way for me to demand for like a nice table. So anyway, this is what we've got. Alright, so let's test this mic, guys. I haven't practiced this to be honest. I'll just say whatever I have in mind. Hello, guys. I cannot hear my voice. Maybe it's not plugged in properly. Hello. Hello. Hello, good morning. So this is the, oh, it's a little bit loud actually. Hello, good morning. This is the Fifine K690 USB condenser microphone, and we are speaking on it right now. This is my first time owning a USB mic, and I'm pretty much near to it. I hope you guys don't hear some background noises or anything unnecessary. So this is how it sounds if I'm very much close to the mic. Let's minimize the gain actually so that it will not be picking my breathing or whatever. Yeah, so I think this is a good setting. I cannot see the setting actually, but if I move this, yeah, I think it's more of like 30% of the gain settings. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna try not to move because I think it's picking up the movement as well. Let me just put that there and get it organized. So this is the reason why some people would get, what do you call it, like a mic stand instead of putting it on top of a table, because if you are talking and at the same time you are navigating or doing something or maybe typing on your computer, then that can be captured as well because it's not really separated from the table. So some people might be using a mic stand. Let's just set this to the lowest gain and let's see. Alright, guys, so this is the lowest setting that the mic is gaining. I don't even know what I'm talking about, guys, so just bear with me. I guess you get the point. So this is the lowest settings, and this is, let's just turn it up for a little bit. Alright, and this is, I think, like 40% of the gain, and then 50%. I think the more you increase the gain, the more it gets a lot of background noises. And this is just a normal room, guys. I don't really have like a soundproofing situation here. So yeah, and then I need to, okay, lower down the volume of the mic. All right, and then let's increase its gain. I think this is like around 70 to 75%. And then maybe like 90% and 100%. So if I move closer, I think it's like the maximum level of gain. And I believe this is crazy. I can see the patterns here. This is not even recommended. Anyway, I will move a little bit far, and I'm hearing background noises as well. I don't know, guys, so let me just switch it back to 50%. No, I think that's 60%. Yeah, this is 50%, guys, and this is like how it sounds if it's like if I'm a foot far, and this is how it sounds if I'm really close to it at 50% gain, and this is how it sounds if I am a foot away. Again with 50% gain. Let's move a little bit farther, and this is how it sounds if I'm, I don't know, like a foot and a half away. And normally, if I'll just put this on my desk and then I'll be sitting, I might be like this, like 2 feet far, like that. So I hope it sounds good still. I have the gain set to 50%, and this is how it sounds if I am 2 feet apart or 2 feet away from it. Let's just gain the... Or sorry, let's just adjust the gain as well. Let's make it to 60%. And like I said, I am 2 feet away from the mic, and this is how it sounds. And let's test the background noise as well, guys. Let's just stop rambling and appreciate how it gains or how it picks up background noises. Are you guys hearing anything? Because I don't. So yeah, this is a really good mic for its price. All right, let's just move back for a little bit. All right, guys, so this is the quality of this mic. By the way, this headset is a cheap version. So I do not really rely on this for the time being. Once I edit this video and post-production, then most likely I'll be able to judge whether the output of the mic is nice enough. So yeah, like I said, I watch a lot of reviews about this, which is the reason why, the ultimate reason why I decided to get this one. All right, guys, so I guess that's about it for today's video. Apologies if I haven't vlogged for a while, because there is a lot on my plate, guys, and tomorrow will be my birthday. So I decided to cook for my housemates, and I decided to do everything on my own. I'll be turning 30, guys. I'm very happy that I am in England celebrating my 30th birthday. It's something that I look forward for the longest time, and yeah, I'm very happy, guys, and I am wishing for many more returns. Thank you very much for your greetings by the time that you see this video, and if you're gonna greet me, thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and let's all be happy. Alright, guys, so I need to get this one finished now because I need to fix this mess now and then do a lot of things afterwards. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Please give this a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. And also, if you have any questions or any suggestions or any reaction, guys, please comment down below in the comment section, and I will see you on my next upload. Have a good day. Bye.